Welcome back to MNB English Lessons. Today we're diving into the fascinating world of idioms, those colorful little expressions that make English sound alive, playful, and sometimes a little mysterious. I'm going to share 5 powerful idioms, explain their meaning, and give you simple examples so you can start using them right away. Let's get started. Idiom 1. Break the ice. This idiom means to start a conversation in a social situation and make everyone feel more comfortable. For example, at the party, John told a funny story to break the ice with the new guests. So, next time you're in a new group, remember, you don't need magic, just break the ice. Idiom 2. Burn the midnight oil. This idiom is all about working late into the night. Think of an old lamp burning while someone studies or works. For example, Priya had to burn the midnight oil to finish her project before the deadline. So if you're staying up late to study or work, you're burning the midnight oil. Idiom 3. Hit the nail on the head. This means to say something that is exactly right, or to describe a situation perfectly. For example, when Ramesh said the team needed better communication, he hit the nail on the head. It's like aiming at the exact spot and striking it perfectly. Idiom 4. Under the weather. This is a gentle way of saying someone is feeling a little sick or unwell. For example, I didn't go to school today because I was feeling under the weather. It's much more natural than simply saying, I am sick. Idiom 5. A blessing in disguise. This idiom describes something that seems bad at first, but later turns out to be good. For example, losing that job was a blessing in disguise, because it pushed me to start my own business. It's a reminder that sometimes life's setbacks hide hidden gifts. So, there you have it. 5 wonderful idioms. Break the ice, burn the midnight oil, hit the nail on the head, under the weather, and a blessing in disguise. Try using them in your daily conversations, and you'll sound more natural and expressive in English. Thanks for listening. And remember, language isn't just about words. It's about the colors they paint in our minds. Keep learning, keep practicing, and I'll see you in the next video.